Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by granting the converter access to your files and storage. This is essential so the app can read and write. Next, import media using drag and drop or the select button and immediately choose a target format and a preset. Once done, name the output and set destination folder so results are easy to find. Make sure to check codec options only if you need custom settings. Otherwise, presets save time and prevent errors. Now you configure conversion specifics. Adjust resolution, bitrate, and frame rate to balance quality versus file size, and preview a short clip to confirm. If you have several files, enable batch mode and arrange the queue in the order you want processed. Also trim start/endpoints, crop edges, and attach subtitles or metadata here. These edits save time later. When you're satisfied, choose CPU or GPU acceleration, depending on your hardware to speed the process. You launch the conversion and watch the progress bar. Monitor CPU or GPU usage so your system doesn't overheat. Once complete, verify the output by playing the file, checking audio sync, resolution, and metadata. If everything looks good, move files to their final location. If something goes wrong, retry converting a single file to isolate the issue, update the app and codecs, and review error messages. Often reinstalling the codec pack or switching acceleration mode fixes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.